Right, so get this. We've got Cristiano Ronaldo.
The football legend.
Yeah, the Jikite, right, sitting down with Mr. Beast.
Yeah, the YouTube mastermind.
Exactly, and they're
Creative
talking about
extraordinaire.
Ronaldo wanting to hit 1 billion subscribers on YouTube.
1 billion. Can you imagine that?
That's like more than triple Mr. Beast's current count, right?
Yeah, it's wild. Like Mr. Beast is already massive and Ronaldo wants to like triple that.
Yeah, he was even joking about beating Mr. Beast's record for the fastest channel growth.
Yeah, gotta love that competitive spirit, right?
I mean, even on a different platform, he still wants to be the best.
Oh, absolutely. That's
Yeah.
that's Ronaldo for you. But what I find so interesting is that, he's not just like blindly jumping in.
Right.
He's actually getting advice from Mr. Beast, like tactical advice.
Yeah, it's like Mr. Beast is like the YouTube Yoda
Yeah.
guiding this global icon.
Giving him the secrets to the force, the algorithm.
Right, exactly.
But what's cool is he's giving him like really specific advice.
Like actionable stuff.
Yeah, like collaborating with other footballers.
Oh, that's smart.
Maybe doing like those post-game analysis videos.
Oh, man, I would watch those.
Right, like leveraging all those iconic moments that made him a legend, but like in a YouTube way.
So it's really playing to his strengths, but like adapting it for the platform.
Exactly.
I would think that someone with Ronaldo's fame could just post anything and it would like blow up,
We think so.
But Mr. Beast makes this really interesting point about the importance of strategy.
Strategy, even for someone like Ronaldo.
Yep. Yeah.
Like you need to give people a reason to click, to subscribe.
Watch to engage.
Yeah, even Ronaldo needs a hook, you know what I mean?
It's really all about understanding that audience and giving them what they want, but with that Ronaldo flair.
Exactly. And you know what I think would be awesome? Those post-game reaction videos,
Oh, those would be gold. Can you imagine?
the stories he could tell, the insights he could share.
Behind the scenes, those legendary matches, maybe even breaking down his strategy.
Yeah. The thinking behind those incredible goals.
Yeah.
But you know what else Mr. Beast emphasized?
What's that?
Thumbnails.
Really? Thumbnail.
Yeah, he's like, those little pictures are crucial.
Those little things that show up before you click on the video.
Yep, exactly. He even had a specific tip for Ronaldo. Keep your mouth closed.
What?
Apparently, open-mouth thumbnails are a big no-no in the YouTube world.
I had no idea. See, that's the kind of like insider knowledge that you get from someone like Mr. Beast.
Yeah, he's clearly mastered the art of the thumbnail.
It's all about grabbing attention, right?
In a split second, yeah.
Yeah, and he's cracked the code.
He has. But moving on to something a little less technical
Sure.
and a lot more intense. We got to talk about Mr. Beast's suffering content.
Oh yeah, the videos where he buries himself alive for a week
For a week.
or spends like days in solitary confinement.
He even talked about surviving on a deserted island. This guy really pushes it, huh?
I'm like getting claustrophobic just thinking about it.
I know, right?
Why do people watch this stuff?
That's the question, isn't it? Like, are we all just fascinated by watching someone endure these extreme situations?
Yeah, is it morbid curiosity, or are we like craving some kind of vicarious thrill?
Maybe it's a bit of both. It's like we're testing our own limits, but from the safety of our screens.
It really makes you think about what drives our viewing habits, huh?
It does.
It's fascinating, but like also a little unsettling, right?
Yeah, there's definitely a psychological element to it that's worth exploring. But on a lighter note, remember that record-breaking video he talked about?
Oh, the one with where he put all the biggest YouTubers in a giant cube.
Yeah. The Last to Laugh challenge.
Yeah, it was like the Avengers of content creation.
Right. And he's right. Something like that in the football world would be insane.
Oh, can you
The
imagine?
top players all in one place, just battling it out. The trash talk alone would be legendary.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
But it does show the power of collaboration. Right there.
Absolutely. But both Mr. Beast and Ronaldo understand that that bringing people together amplifies everything.
Exactly. It brings together different fan bases, it generates buzz, and it often leads to like really unique and engaging content.
Yeah, and it creates something new.
Exactly. It's a strategy that's worked wonders for both of them, for sure.
Okay, so we've talked about Mr. Beast's crazy challenges, Ronaldo's YouTube ambitions, and even the importance of a good thumbnail. But something that really stood out to me was Ronaldo's response to fame.
Oh, yeah, what'd he say?
He just said, "I just work all the time."
It's so simple, but it's so true, right?
It's like fame is just a byproduct of his insane work ethic, you
Yeah.
know?
Yeah, not the goal itself. He's just focused on constantly improving, on being the best.
It's a part of why he's been able to, stay at the top for so long.
For sure. And it's a powerful message for all of us, no matter what our goals are.
It's all about hard work and dedication.
Exactly. And this conversation between Ronaldo and Mr. Beast is a perfect example of that.
Yeah, I mean, they come from completely different worlds, but they share that same drive, that same commitment to excellence.
And that's what makes this so fascinating to me, right?
Yeah, I think it's inspiring.
It is. It's like they've tapped into that secret sauce of passion and hard work. It really is. And, they're both human, right? I love that moment when Mr. Beast talked about getting harassed by a fly during the interview.
Oh, yeah, totally.
Like, even amidst all this talk of success and ambition,
Right.
life throws you a curveball.
Sometimes a literal buzzing curveball.
Exactly.
And then you have Ronaldo just casually inviting Mr. Beast to watch a game in Saudi Arabia.
Like, no big deal, right? Just come hang out, watch me play.
I know, it was pretty awesome. It shows his generosity, but also, like, his awareness of his own influence,
Yeah, totally. It'd be amazing to see Mr. Beast's reaction to a live football match, especially with Ronaldo on the field.
Can you imagine these two, like, internet giants
Colliding.
in a stadium filled with screaming fans?
Oh, it'd be epic.
A cultural clash, but in a good way.
Oh, absolutely. Speaking of internet giants, though,
Yeah.
remember that mind-blowing stat Mr. Beast dropped?
Which one?
He said 4% of the entire human population
Wow.
has seen one of his videos.
Seriously. 4%. That's a ridiculous number of people.
It's insane, right? And you know which video he was talking about?
No, which one?
The Squid Game one.
Oh, yeah, right.
The one he did
Yeah,
in
no.
real life.
Yeah, with the giant circle and all the
Contestants,
Yeah.
cash prize.
It was everywhere, I mean.
Yeah, he really captured the zeitgeist,
He's got a knack for it, like tapping into those cultural trends
He really does.
and creating content that resonates.
With a global audience.
Yeah.
It's impressive.
I mean, and it all goes back to that collaboration thing, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Like bringing in those familiar faces.
Yeah, those big names.
Yeah.
Amplifies everything.
It does. It really does.
It brings together different fan bases, generates buzz. It often leads to really, unique and engaging content.
Okay, so we've talked about Mr. Beast's crazy challenges, Ronaldo's YouTube ambitions.
Thumbnail.
The thumbnails, yeah.
Important.
But here's something that really stuck with me.
Okay, what's that?
Ronaldo's response to fame.
Oh, yeah, what did he say? I'm curious.
He just said, like, straight up, I just work all the time.
It's so simple, but it's so profound,
It really is. It's like he doesn't dwell on fame. It's just a result of his work.
Yeah, it's not something he seeks out. He's just focused on the craft,
Yeah. And that's probably why he's, been able to stay at the top for so long.
Absolutely. It's about mastery. It's about pushing yourself to be better every single day. And that applies to anything, not just football.
Not just YouTube.
Not just YouTube.
No matter what your goals are, hard work and dedication are essential.
Yeah, they're the foundation.
Yeah.
And I think this whole conversation between them really highlights that.
Yeah. They come from totally different worlds.
Yeah.
But they both share that drive.
That commitment to excellence.
Wow.
And you know what else I find fascinating? The contrast in their personalities.
Oh, yeah.
Ronaldo is very measured, very professional,
Yeah.
Aware of his brand, his image.
Every move is calculated.
Calculated.
The Beast is a bit more off the cuff.
Yeah, more playful.
A little outrageous sometimes.
He pushes boundaries, and they both find incredible success.
Yeah, it's a good reminder that there's no, one size fits all.
Formula for achieving your goals, right?
No, not at all. It's about finding what works for you.
Absolutely. Leveraging your strengths, staying true to your vision.
Yeah. And who knows, maybe one day we will see Ronaldo hit 1 billion subscribers thanks to Mr. Beast.
Oh, wouldn't that be something?
I mean, even if he doesn't, the fact that he's even considering it is pretty amazing.
Yeah, it speaks to his ambition, his willingness to embrace new challenges.
And to learn.
Exactly. Even at the top of your game, you can still grow and evolve.
Okay, but before we wrap up,
Okay.
we've talked about the psychology behind Mr. Beast's suffering content.
Great.
But I'm still curious.
About what?
Like, why does he do it? What's the appeal for him beyond the views and the clicks and all that?
That's a great question, and I don't think there's one easy answer. It's probably a combination of things.
Yeah.
Like maybe he genuinely enjoys pushing his limits.
Yeah, testing his endurance.
Yeah.
He's not afraid of a challenge. But I also think, it gives the audience a vicarious thrill, you know?
Oh, absolutely.
We get to watch someone else go through those uncomfortable situations.
Yeah, experience the fear, the discomfort without actually having to do it ourselves.
Yeah, like a safe way to explore.
Our own boundaries.
Yeah.
But, on another level, it makes you think, like, why are we so drawn to this, right?
Yeah.
Like, why do we like watching someone else suffer?
What's that say about us?
Exactly. It's pretty thought-provoking.
Yeah, and it makes you wonder, what's next? What other crazy challenges is he going to dream up?
What other boundaries is he going to push?
Yeah, it's almost like he's tapping into like this primal part of our brains.
Right, the part that's wired for survival and pushing through discomfort and pain.
Exactly. But let's shift gears a little bit.
Okay.
Talk about something a little less intense. Like, what about this whole idea of Ronaldo conquering YouTube? You think he actually has a shot at hitting 1 billion subscribers?
I mean, it's a crazy goal, right?
Yeah.
But if anyone can pull it off, it's probably Ronaldo. I mean, he's already got that massive following.
Global following?
Yeah, worldwide, and he's clearly not afraid of a challenge.
And he's got, Mr. Beast in his corner dropping all those YouTube gems.
Yeah, those little golden nuggets of wisdom.
Right. I'm still thinking about that whole closed mouth thumbnail thing.
Oh, yeah.
Who knew?
I know, right? Just goes to show there's a science to all this, even for someone like Ronaldo.
Yeah, yeah.
But I think what's really fascinating is just seeing, how they both approach their craft.
Yeah.
They're both masters of their domains, but in such different ways.
Yeah, yeah. Ronaldo's all about like precision.
Calculated moves, on and off the field.
Yeah.
He's really built a brand that's synonymous with excellence and professionalism.
Mm. And then you have Mr. Beast, who's more about, pushing those boundaries.
Taking risks, embracing the unexpected.
Yeah, he's not afraid to be a little chaotic.
A little out there,
Right. And yet they both find this like incredible success.
They do. It's pretty remarkable.
Makes you think there's a lesson in there for all of us.
There might be.
Like maybe it's not about, trying to fit into some predefined mold.
Right.
It's about finding your own path.
Your own unique path.
Yeah.
Your own way of expressing your talent, connecting with an audience.
Yeah. Yeah. It's about being authentic,
Being authentic.
embracing what you're good at.
Yeah, taking risks, experimenting.
And hey, if you can get a few billion people to watch you along the way.
Oh, the better. Right.
So as we wrap up this deep dive, I want to leave you with a thought.
Okay. I like it.
If you had the chance to collaborate with someone from a completely different field, someone whose work you admire,
okay,
who would it be?
Ooh, that's a good question.
And what kind of like crazy, world-altering project
Mind-altering.
would you cook up together?
Yes, that's a good one. You really got to think big for that one.
Think big. Yeah, let your imagination run wild. Maybe you'd team up with a musician to create like a symphony about climate change.
That would be awesome.
Or maybe you'd partner with a chef to design a meal that explores the history of your culture.
Oh, I like that one.
The possibilities are endless.
Really are.
And who knows, maybe your collaboration will be the next one to break the internet.
You never know.
And hey, if you're looking for a little inspiration, I highly recommend checking out the full video of Ronaldo and Mr. Beast on Cristiano's YouTube channel.
Yeah, it's worth a watch.
It's a fascinating glimpse into the minds of two incredibly successful and very different individuals.
It really is.
And remember, whether you're aiming for 1 billion subscribers or you're just trying to make a dent in your own little corner of the world, passion, hard work, and a willingness to learn from, those around you are key.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
So go out there, be bold, be creative, and most importantly, have fun.
Have fun.
We'll be back soon with another deep dive, exploring some other fascinating corner of the world. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep those creative sparks flying.